Now I've gone and bought myself some shadow foam. So I've bought some of this shadow foam original. I did originally want the shadow foam easy peel, but they didn't do it in the colour I wanted, which was red and black, and they didn't do it in the thickness I wanted, which is 50mm. I first noticed the guys from Shadow Foam at Maker Central last year, but I got in the car and I got to admit I completely forgot all about them after that until I noticed one of their viral videos recently. So I thought I got to buy some. Now I'm going to use this shadow foam in one of these Makita Makpacs type 3s. They're only just over £20 on Amazon, link in the description box below, and I'm going to use that to store my SDS drill in. Right, so I've cut a piece of the foam out. Unfortunately, when I got the shadow foam, it had a bit of a wavy edge the way it was cut. So rather than waste loads, this is going to be the bottom piece anyway. I'm just gonna crack on with what I've got. So the idea is I'm gonna have my SDS drill somewhere like that maybe, and then get a few batteries in. So something like that. Let's see how that works. Right, first of all, we need to cut out some little corners here so they can fit in the Makpac. So this stuff is meant to be really easy to cut. I know I need to come in 65mm in length and about 12mm in. So like that. They supply a scalpel as well, and all you're meant to do, from what I've seen, is cut in. Well, that did cut out a lot easier than I was actually thinking it would do. So I think what we'll do now is a cutting montage. Now, although everything fitted in there well, to me it just looked a little bit, well, dull. So I had a good think to myself and I come up with an idea.
So after giving the tool case a massively unnecessary paint job, I think you'll agree it does look better the way it is now, although I do think the red foam that I did want would have set it off better. Everything fits well into the tool case, and when I put things back in they fit in really nice and snug. As you can see, I didn't stop there, I also painted the other case I had as well, and now I've got a pair of matching tool cases to fit on this slide out shelf. So these are all the offcuts I have left over from the shadow foam, and my experience of using this foam is if you cut it, it looks great, but if you tear it, it doesn't leave a very nice finish. So I would definitely recommend that you persist and cut everything out. That's it for this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you again next week.